A distress call from a cargo ship has ended with the ship and crew quarantined in San Francisco Bay for COVID. KTVU's Deborah Villalone live now along the waterfront for us tonight, where some crew members felt ill enough to seek treatment on shore. Deb.
Yeah, Julie, 6 crew members are being checked out at local hospitals. Most of them stayed aboard ship. This all unfolded here at Pier 26 late this afternoon. From Skyfox, a 600-foot cargo ship with a COVID outbreak on board. The call came as it was anchored in the bay with its crew of 21.
The report was that out of the 21 crew members on board, there were 19 that were positive with the coronavirus.
San Francisco fireboats raced to the vessel so paramedics could evaluate, while the department readied for a potential multi-casualty event should everyone be in distress. 13 of the ship's crew were found to have mild or no symptoms and stayed aboard. But 6 said they felt sick enough they wanted to come ashore for treatment.
They all stated they were tested on Saturday and were positive for COVID-19. Their signs and their symptoms are extremely mild. They're in very good spirits.
On the waterfront, the patients were assessed further and sent to either Cal Pacific Med Center or UCSF for observation.
They were all able to walk. They're all able to breathe comfortably. This is a very mild onset at this time.
The Global Striker, loaded with logs, was last docked in Sacramento, where the Coast Guard says it's unlikely any crew left the ship.
Not sure. It's not typical for crew members to leave the boat, but yeah, I can't say with 100% certainty.
They would have had to clear customs. Now, a quarantine is imposed by public health and state emergency services.
So they will not be allowed to come simply onto shore to go to a restaurant or to a bar. They're going to be on that vessel.
Isolated for 2 weeks at least. The patients brought off the ship, if not admitted to hospitals, will be isolated elsewhere in the city or returned to their vessel.
That when somebody does call for help, no matter who they are or where they're from, we're going to be able to deliver that help with all safety precautions in place.
The Coast Guard says with only 2 uninfected crew members, it's impossible for the Global Striker to sail unless replacements are brought in. Julie, Public Health expects to know more about the ship's intentions tomorrow.
All right, Deborah Villalone reporting live along San Francisco's waterfront tonight. Deb, thank you.